What's your impression so far?
I think this is an improvement on all the other elections that I've participated on. And very seamless, very fast. And if it continues like this, then I want to believe that INEC is improving on not only their facilities, the training of the personnel that are handling the process.
On any concerns so far? You say that is it too early to say?
It's too early to call.
Okay,
too early to call.
What's the message to INEC? I know that we still have some hours left in the election. Any concerns or any message you want to send across to INEC?
Well, like I told you, it's too early to call. We are still putting our ears to the ground as to what is happening in other polling units. But here, I'm very satisfied with the process, with the personnel that are handling the process. For concerns, yes, we have concerns about Nimbe Basambri, where party members, most of whom have been excluded, our agents have been stopped from going into Nimbe. And so that's a very serious concern. Our party has written an official letter to the chairman of INEC. And INEC has to take drastic actions to ensure that our people are allowed to go in there to vote. In any case, what we call for is a free, fair process where the beavers should be used, just as I have done here today. So let the accreditation be by the beavers in Nimbe Basambri. So special attention has to be taken on Nimbe Basambri because everything points to the fact that in Nimbe Basambri, PDP members are chased out of their community.
Okay, Your Excellency, earlier on, INEC just confirmed that one of their staff and materials were kidnapped in the Sylva area. I don't know if that report has gotten to you, and what is your take on it, sir?
Well, we escalated that report even to INEC. We escalated it to INEC. So we are happy that INEC took prompt action by letting the country know of what has happened in Bayelsa. And you know it's not only that. We had issues in southern Niger where we had a boat that capsized. So there were two major issues yesterday. The Sagbama Ward 6, where some criminals came and eloped with those materials. And INEC is promptly taking action. So I'd like to appreciate INEC on that. Again, for the boat that capsized, they have already alerted us. So we're also aware and they are taking actions on that. I think those were the only two incidents that we recorded from yesterday to today.
Right, Your Excellency, lastly from me, these few incidents that you've confirmed, the abduction of the personnel and the few other incidents that you have raised, do you think that, what impact do you think this will have on the overall conduct of the election in Bayelsa State?
Yeah, you know, we have been raising the issue of the violence, character, and person of Timbre Sylva. over the years, every election is involved in, you experience violence, you experience lawlessness. And even in Nembe Basambri, the name and the character behind what is happening in Nembe Basambri is Timbre Sylva. And so I don't want to have an overview of APC. No, it is, we have to reduce it to the character of the person. And Timbre Sylva has been a violent person in every election. If you recall, the leader of the John Nation, Chief E.K. Clerk, wrote a treatise on him and concluded by asking him why he has refused to drop this is forceful and violent way of winning elections. However, like I keep telling everybody, God is on the throne and we are standing against him in his violent way and forceful way of winning election. You will recall also that his deputy governorship candidate in Timbre threatened the people of Timbre, and that if any of our party members come, they should be thrown into the Atlantic Ocean, and that they are not the first people to die. And you will agree with me that that pair is a violent pair, and that's not what the people of Bayelsa deserve.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.